my god, I love cucumbers. I don't know if you love them like me. They don't only taste good in the mouth, but they have so many benefits consuming them. Cucumbers are 90 to 98% water based. That way, leaving your skin always hydrated. And when your skin is hydrated, your skin will always look fresh, supple, and yes, younger. Cucumbers are supposed to be a must-have or must-eat if you are from 35 and above, because that is when you need hydration the most. Hydration is the key to a younger and fresher looking skin, because if your skin is dehydrated, dry, you will start experiencing all those early signs of aging. Your skin will look so cranky and aged. Whereas if you hydrate yourself by eating a lot of cucumbers, you will always have a fresher looking skin. It helps you fight wrinkles from the inside out by leaving your skin always hydrated. Secondly, consuming cucumbers or one cucumber a day, you are guaranteed it will support your system to detox itself, thanks to the fact that it is almost 90 to 98% water based. Cucumbers equally has healing properties, so as it is detoxing your system, it is like treating deadly diseases from your system. Research has even proven that cucumbers have healing properties to treat certain kinds of cancer, which means if you are consuming a lot of cucumbers, you form a barrier, a disease-fighting barrier in your system, and you hardly will experience all those deadly diseases or illnesses we are all do not want to experience. Consuming cucumbers will equally treat your dry skin if you're somebody experiencing dry and flaky skin. Consuming cucumber guarantees your skin to always be hydrated, moisturized, and fresher, because most of the causes of dry skin are mostly people who don't consume a lot of water, they don't always stay hydrated, or there are a lot of dead skin cells on their skin. So if you are somebody who doesn't like consuming water and you are experiencing dry skin, just go for cucumbers. They are like 98% water based, will solve that problem of dehydration. That way your skin will now be looking so fresh, supple, and moisturized. Cucumbers are equally a very powerful source of antioxidant to fight free radical damage causing premature aging on the skin, in all the hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and the rest. So consuming cucumbers is like you are fighting free radical damage for a clear and beautiful looking skin. So notes to take home: cucumbers are disease fighting, which means consuming cucumbers will form a disease-fighting barrier in your system. Like, it will prevent all those deadly illness and diseases we are all avoiding. Cucumbers will equally help you with hydration, and when your skin is hydrated, you will look so fresh. It will treat all the dry skin, and your skin will look so moisturized and much fresher. Cucumbers equally help to fight aging on the skin, because one of the primary causes of aging is dehydration as well. So consuming cucumbers, you are guaranteed of hydration from the inside, fighting and preventing all the fine line wrinkles caused by dehydration. So carry out a little bit of research, you realize that dehydration is like the 60% cause of premature aging on the skin. So consuming a lot of cucumbers will help you fight aging on your skin by leaving your skin always hydrated. Lastly, cucumbers are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals that you need for a healthy glow to your skin. Not only a healthy glow to your skin, but for a healthy life, for you to live long and healthy. It's what we all want. We all want to live long and healthy. So I hope I must have convinced 1 or 2 people to start eating cucumbers. They are very healthy. You need them to fight those diseases, if not for the other benefits. You need them just to fight all those deadly diseases and illnesses we all do not want to have and spend a lot of time and money in the hospital treating.